Well, now what we're going to do is to look at how to get an appointment in an open house. Now, there are really 4 steps to get that appointment. The first thing you have to do is get the attention of the person coming in. Now, that sounds easy, but if you've held any open houses, you know what they do is come in the door, George and Maud says to George, "George, you take the right side of the house, I'll take the left. She'll never see us." So the problem is that you have to somehow get their attention. And then the second thing you want to do is to arouse their interest in this home or other homes. So you start asking some questions. And then the third thing you do is keep probing to find out more about their needs and finally find a reason to close for an appointment. Now, what I'm going to role play with Pia is not going to be as long a process as I would do if it were real in a real open house, because I don't want to take your time of quite a few minutes sometimes. Sometimes it takes you an hour to do it. So I'm going to do a shortened version with Pia, and I'm going to do a version 2 that shows you how to get to an appointment when you don't have time to ask a lot of questions. So here's the situation. Pia has just come into the open house, and I'm meeting her. Well, hello, I'm Carla Cross.
Hi,
and you
Carla.
are?
I'm Pia.
Hi, Pia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Well, thanks for coming.
Yeah,
Oh, by the way,
welcome.
I got to tell you this because my cousin collects them, but I love that owl.
Oh, thank you very much.
Do you collect those too?
I do. I love owls.
Cool. Oh,
Yeah,
do you really?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that's neat. We'll have to tell my cousin. I met another one. So let me ask you this. How did you find this open house?
My husband and I, we were just driving around Sunday Drive, and we noticed the sign and looked at the house and thought we'd come check it out.
Okay. All right. So I put out 12 sounds. It worked, I guess.
Yeah,
right?
it definitely
Oh,
did.
good. Yeah. Yeah, because that's one of the things that's hard to do.
Yeah.
Well, is this your first visit then to the area?
No, we've been kind of looking around,
you?
and yeah, it's a
Oh.
beautiful area. So.
Oh. Well, tell me a little bit. You said looking around. What were you looking for?
Well, my husband and I are both artists, and we wanted something that's traditionally Northwest style, but with different lines, and this house definitely has a different look about it, so it caught our attention.
I see. So have you been looking for quite a while?
Kind of in the back of our mind, we've been browsing, but nothing too serious.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that sounds great. It's really great to take a look at the area and get the ideas of it, too, and this is a lovely area.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Well, today we have like 400 people coming to this home.
Wow.
Because it's a featured home in the Times. So usually, I'd be able to sit down and chat with you a little bit more about your needs, but I'll tell you what I'd love to do is, could we get together perhaps like Monday night? Will George be available Monday night? We could sit down and I could ask you lots of questions so that you wouldn't be, having to follow science the rest of your life to find homes. And then we could see if possibly it might work out and I could start showing you homes and we could work together.
Oh, that sounds good. I think George is off on Monday night, so I think Monday night would work perfectly.
Oh, awesome. Well, I really look forward to it.
Yeah, me too. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.